Girls, today our activity is going to be equal pattern block tiles. You can find this in your red folder that has 2 paper clips on the side, and I believe it is in the front pocket. You also need your number tiles 1 through 0, and you need pattern blocks. You can find the pattern blocks in your big math template bag, or your big math bag. You'll need a hexagon, a trapezoid, a parallelogram, and I got out 4 triangles. I don't know if I need 4, but I just got 4 out. So I'm gonna do the first page for you, and then I will give instructions. So I'm gonna flip my page over. On this page, we are going to use the number tiles 0 through 9, and we can only use them once. So at the top of the page, it says, if a green triangle equals 1, then what would this number equation equal? Okay, our first is a red trapezoid connected to a yellow hexagon followed by a green triangle. So how many green triangles would fit in this red trapezoid? I'm just going to put them on there to try. I see that 3. So if each of these green triangles equals 1, then the red trapezoid equals 3. So I'm going to put a 3 in my first square, okay? How many green triangles do you think will fit in this yellow hexagon? Well, let's take these 3 and just put them over here. Well, 3 fit in half of it, so do you think 3 would fit in the other half? So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I'm going to put a 6 right here. Then in my green triangle, they have already put a 1. So 3 plus 6 plus 1 equals what? You are right, it equals 10. So I'm going to put a 1 here and a 0 here. Now, I've used those number tiles, so I can't use them again. All right, the second one has 2 green triangles. So if 1 green triangle equals 1, what do 2 green triangles equal? You're right if you said 2. So I'm going to put my 2 right there. Now my next problem, I have the same shape. I have 2 green triangles, which is the same as 1 blue parallelogram. So I can look at either shape and I say 2 of this shape would equal what? Well, if 1 equals 2, then 2 of those would be, if you're thinking like I'm thinking, it would be 4, okay? My next shape is the yellow hexagon with a green triangle here and a green triangle there. Now, remember the green triangle is equal to 1, so how many do I have in my whole shape? Does anyone remember how many work in this yellow hexagon? I think we said 6. So 6, 7, 8. So this shape is equal to 8, and I'm going to put my 8 right there. Okay, I have 5, 7, and 9 left. I'm going to go to the very last problem because that's going to be a little bit easier to work than this one. So I have a trapezoid and a blue parallelogram, which is the same as these 2 green triangles. So if I have a trapezoid plus the 2 green triangles or the parallelogram, that would be 2 here. And how many fit on that red trapezoid? Do you remember 3 go there? So we would have 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I'm going to put my 5 number tile right here. Now, My last one that I can do, we start with the blue parallelogram, which is the same as 2 green triangles. So 2 plus what number equals blank? If these are the only 2 that I have left, could we say 2 plus 7 equals 9? And look, I've used all my number tiles and I have finished this page, okay? Now, your challenge is to keep going with your number tiles and your shapes. You can do I have a total of, I think 6 pages in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages here. You may start on page number 2 and work that page, then go on to page number 3 and so on. You can do as many as you want to. If you want to do all of them, you can. If you only want to do 2 pages, you can. But I want you to choose one of the pages that you have done and take a picture of it and upload it to Seesaw. And have fun with it, okay? Thanks.